Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
What has sent Rivers State back is ethnicity. What has made us not to progress so far is we blindfolding ourselves and not to know the truth. If we have a place like this, do you know how many people would like to come to Rivers State? Assuming today we're talking about tourism. And how can you say here should be a tourist area when you have all these shanties? Let me say it. I don't care what anybody wants to say. Nobody will set Rivers State backward. Nobody. I'm going to discuss with those who are here. We must find a way to do it. When the special advisor of special projects came, I know how difficult it was. Already this is a government property. But people have built all kinds of things inside here. It took him time, fight. They had to bring soldiers for them to be able to clear this place. How long can we continue to do this? How long? Who meaningful person would drive by this road? And the right, coming here or you are coming out, if you won't see criminals blocking you on the road? Who? And people must almost know that it has not been done today, does not mean that it will not be done tomorrow. So I will not hesitate to properly reconstruct this road in a way. Don't clap hand, it will affect most of you there. Don't clap hand. It will affect you. So if you think I'm doing the road the way it is, it's not going to work that way. Morale, nobody got you morale like we. Nobody got you morale like we. So I'm going to invite the State Assembly representing this constituency and the council chairman with the Secretary of Government to see me, so that we have to discuss on what we are going to do. Because I know how much we have suffered in terms of criminalities. Look at what we are doing, going along LMA area or airport. Go and see all the areas out. We have cleared the area. Go and see what has happened in our Huda area, going back to Emo and the rest. See what we are doing now in the Lelewo. If you know the level of insecurity that we are faced in this state, and if we allow it, most of us will not even be happy to come out. Without being told, who doesn't know that there are a lot of criminals here? Who doesn't know? Who doesn't know? Even I've seen them. They are looking at me. What did this man come in here, sir? I mean, we can't continue this way. We can't. I have the political will, and I must do the work. Let heaven fall. So I don't even see how I'm above a people who is here. We say he came by this and I come here. Then in the night, around 9 p.m., he says, through where? This place? It's not possible. So in the House of Assembly, the man representing the constituency, Tonya Adoki, I think. Is he here? Tonya Adoki, is he here? He had run away. This is their constituency. So you are the council chairman and the SIG have to save me. Let us discuss. Because we can't spend this amount of money we want to spend there. Look at what has happened to Bile Nembe JETTY. I don't know why our people don't like good things. Why? Are we born to be dirty? Are we born to destroy? We're not born to destroy. God has given us everything that we require. It's for us to make good use of it and improve our life. If here is done well, businesses will spring up and people will make money. Now, people will go and commit crime in the night, in the morning, they run back. And you will know that they are here. I will look for you. I will look for you. So please, the contractor, do all you can. No, if anybody disturbs you, let us know. But employ reverse people. Give them jobs. Allow them to be some of the suppliers within the same price you would have given to other people. So you won't say the prices they are giving you are too high. People use this excuse to deny our people. You say, oh, your own price is too high. It's a lie. If they come, allow them to supply sand, allow them to do other work, and employ them, those of them who want to work. Those who don't want to work, let them not work. That one day, the law will catch them up. So I thank all of you traditional rulers who have been following us. Like the chairman, the mayor of Port Harcourt said, for the past 6 weeks, we've been on the road, commissioning and flagging off. Tomorrow, we will commission the speaker's official residence. Friday, we'll be in Ogubolo to flag off the Ogu-Wakama road. And then, after Monday, which is our account of stewardship, we'll allow everybody to take a break. And we'll resume after 3 weeks to continue to commission and flag off. So I thank all of you for coming here today to give us support. But please, don't make trouble as far as we are concerned. Thank you, and God bless you.